Okay, so we are going to talk about exterior angle over here. So what's the relationship between exterior and interior angle? They will add up to 180 degree. So I will make a note over here first. I will say sum of exterior and interior angle is 180 degree. Alright? Okay? So when we want to find our exterior angle, all we have to do is find our interior angle first. Okay? So imagine that this shape is a regular pentagon. It is a regular pentagon. So with this term, we know that all the interior angles are equals to each other. So we can calculate this by using the formula. So we can find each interior angle is equals to how much by the following calculation. And this one over here, it's giving me the total interior angle of a pentagon. But since I am only interested in one of them, I'm going to divide everything by 5. And by right, you should get 108 over here. Okay? Now, what do I have to do next? When you have an interior angle, you are able to find your exterior angle. So where's my exterior angle in this case? All you have to do is to extend your side. Okay? And this part over here, that is your exterior angle. Alright? So how do we calculate exterior angle? So based on this property over here, we know that this exterior angle is going to be 180 degree minus 108 and you should get 72. So 72 degree is the exterior angle of a regular pentagon. Okay? So since we are dealing with a regular pentagon, they should have all the same interior angle. Alright, this should be 108. So which means that the exterior angle over here, it's also equals to 72. And all the sides over here will be 72 as well. Okay, so what I have drawn over here, it's all my exterior angle. So take a look, how do I get my exterior angle? It is from the extension of its original length. Okay, that's how I get my exterior angle. Now what I want you to do right now is try to add up all the exterior angle and see what will you get. Now if you were to add up all the exterior angle, I'm going to put over here. So if you add up all the exterior angle, you will notice that you will get 360. Okay? And this is going to be true for all types of polygon. Either they are regular or irregular. Okay? Now with this over here, we can come out with a formula. Alright? So let's try to label out what does this 72 tells me over here. This 72 is telling me the exterior angle. And this 5 over here is telling me the number of sides. Now try to think about it. How do we have the exterior angle in the first place is when we extend the side, correct or not? So the 5 over here stands for number of sides. And this will always equals to 360. Okay? Now, to put a disclaimer over here, this formula is only applicable for regular polygons only. Right? Because regular polygons have the same exterior angle, where irregular polygons have different exterior angle, but they still add up to 360, but we can't use the formula for that. Alright? So over here, we say that this one is only applicable for regular polygons. Okay? So this formula is going to be useful, especially for us to find the number of sides. So let's go through one example over here. Alright? So here is a part of a regular polygon. Okay? So it is an incomplete polygon. How many sides does the polygon have? Alright? So when you are going to use this formula, it's by looking at two of these key points. Okay, so I'll write key point over here. When you see the question, they are asking you, number one, it's a regular polygon. And number two, they are asking for the number of sides. You can use this formula, alright, to your advantage. So let's see how do we tackle this problem. Oh, I actually forgot to write something over here. The interior angle of this is given in the question is supposed to be 156, okay? Now again, let's look at this example. Alright, it's a regular polygon, and how many sides does this polygon actually have? Now think about it, if I would like to utilize this formula to find the number of sides, what information do I need? Alright, I need the exterior angle. That's the only information I need to use this formula. So this question, if you notice, is not given any exterior angle, but they give you an interior angle. But we already know this property. The sum of interior angle and exterior angle is 180. So where's my exterior angle over here? It's over here. You just have to extend the side, alright, longer in a straight line. And this part over here is the exterior angle. So I can proceed with my calculation now. I can say my exterior angle, it's equals to 180 minus 156, and that should give me 24. So that's my exterior angle. Okay? So since I have my exterior angle, I can use this formula to find the number of sides. So therefore, my exterior angle is 24, multiply with the number of sides, which is the thing I'm interested to find, and this will always equals to 360. That's my equation. And we can solve this equation by applying basic algebra. So number of sides is equals to 360 divided by 24, and that should give me, let me work that out in my calculator, that should give me 15 sides. So this polygon is actually a regular polygon with 15 sides. Alright, that's how you utilize this formula over here. Okay, so do remember exterior angle. When you have exterior angle properties, it is the sum of exterior and interior angle is always 180. They are supplementary. Both of these add up is always 180. That's why we say they are supplementary. Okay. And if you add up all the exterior angle, it is always equals to 360, regardless of it is a regular or irregular polygons. Okay, so when you want to find the number of sides, all you need to do is to find the exterior angle of that polygon, of that regular polygon, and you should be able to solve the question. Okay.